Hi. So this week has been tough for the entrepreneurial spirit. The Blue Smart story, UPI is now paid, the only successful export of DPI in India so far. Two of my ex bosses in ONDC left. That says a lot about what is happening on digitization of retail. And these are believers, right? But what is missing is the entrepreneurial spirit, is the founder spirit. The founder spirit is not dependent on, oh, you give me funding, then I'll do this. No, the founder will solve a problem no matter what, and a problem that plagues them. Somewhere we've lost that. Somewhere we've lost the founder spirit, and we've fallen for this coterie of Bangalore and Delhi and government funding and all of these other things, right? The policy and frameworks and all of this. The researchers has taken over the founders' can-do spirit. And it is scary. It is scary to watch as somebody who's been doing this for a long time. I don't remember ever that where I've not looked at an idea that I want to solve for. Per unit economics and everything comes later, but you will solve for it. Teams come, resources come, everything comes. It's an organic process. It's not like a plotted on an Excel process. If it is plotted on an Excel, that means you were just doing a hobby and you didn't think through the whole problem in terms of how will it fund itself, because most good problems can fund themselves. They don't need external funding. They also don't need too many people to believe in them. Today we are in an era where in an AI assisted world you can set up a massive business with a 4-5 member team. So we are the most resourced and most tooled generation of all times, and look at what's happening to us. We are falling for the houses and the cars, and our morals are degraded to such a level that it doesn't bother us, that we are cooking up books and we think that little extra money that I have to give to somebody to be my connector is okay. Falsification is okay, but this is not a founder. So if you want to be a founder, first of all, there is a certain purity to a founder, and you'll see it when you meet them. And second, this is just a hustler. This is just a trader. This is just an opportunist. This is just a person who's enjoying the glory while the sun shines. In your 20s, don't fall for the reflected glory of a founder just because you want to hang with them. So don't become a founder because you want the glory of it. In your 30s, don't try to be part of their circle, and that's why you're an entrepreneur. In your 40s, don't have FOMO and become a founder. The reason to be a founder is just one. Some problem is plaguing you so much and nobody else is solving it. You want to solve it no matter what the personal, emotional, energetic cost of that to you is. There is no other sustainable reason for doing this. It's not a cute career. It's not. It takes its price in a pound of flesh. No.